Today I'm making Cantonese-style steamed fish. You will need your choice of fish, 2 green onions, 1-inch piece of ginger, Shaoxing Chinese cooking wine, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and salt.
You can get your fish from your local grocery store and have them gut it and clean it for you. You can have a choice of leaving the head on or having them take it off.
Rinse your fish, green onions, and ginger.
Okay, now let's prep the ingredients.
Slice your green onions into 2-inch pieces. Now, slice away the outer skin of the ginger and then into 1-inch strips.
Now that we have the green onions and the ginger chopped up, let's stuff it and put some on top.
You will need a pot that is larger than the dish. Place a metal stand inside of the pot and fill with water to cover the stand. If you don't have a stand, use aluminum foil and shape into a circle. Place the dish with the prepared fish in the pot. Turn the stove on and let the water come to a rolling boil. Then, cover the pot.
Let it steam for 20 minutes. No peeking.
Now it's time to season the fish. Open the lid and top with green onions and the seasonings. Add a half cup of Chinese cooking wine. Next, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then add a teaspoon of salt. And finally, a teaspoon of sugar.
Cover pot and steam for an additional 2 minutes.
This is Cantonese style steamed fish. Do you love it?
We love